Hello, today we're going to look at how to download our geometric constraints. So all of you should be in our Google Classroom, and you should see an assignment called 1.23 Geometric Constraints. And if you need to click on the link, maybe you don't see these two, you might have to click on the link here in order for these two to pop up. That's okay if you need to do that. So our first one, when we click on it, it should just load up in a new tab. And this is the one that goes ahead and shows you the before and after. And as you see the before and after, there's also a zoom feature, so you can actually zoom in and you could actually scroll so you can make it bigger or not. And this is helpful in the fact that when you're on Inventor, you'll see the assignment look like this, and you know that you need to make it look like that. So now you need to go ahead and download the file. And the good news is this is the only file that you will need to download. So we should be able to click on it here, and you'll see that there's no preview. You could hit the download button, and then all of a sudden you should see it open up here. Now, many of you could go ahead and click on the little arrow and hit show in folder, and it's going to take you to a huge download things, and I have mine in here. A lot of you might be able to double click on it here and open it up. Otherwise, you could right click and you could copy the file, and then you could go ahead and find your directory, which will have your first letter and your last name. And then once you're there, you could find that folder that we created for your STEM class or DM, whatever you called it, and then you could simply paste it there. And now that that file is pasted there, I should be able to go in Inventor, and I should be able to click on Open. And as it goes to open up, this was in my DM folder. Now, if you didn't see it right away, you should be able to click on this look in, and you could find your first letter, last name, as I did that here, and then you could go ahead and find that folder we created, and you'll see that it's there, and then you could open it up. All right, and that gets you to the point that you need to be to watch the next video on geometric constraints. Thank you.